Hello lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today we're going to work on a very simple but effective floor bar. I love floor bars. They're the perfect way to go back to basics, to really feel and think about what muscles need to be engaged and how to work them. It is the perfect way to start your ballet journey because there is no gravity, we are on the floor, but we are learning exactly how our muscles are working. You're probably also trying to reactivate your body, everything that goes throughout the metabolism, the muscles, maybe your nutrition. So today I'm taking the chance to invite you for a live event that I'm doing online at the end of the month. It's called the Weightless Challenge, and in there we're gonna talk about nutrition. We're gonna be working out every single day for a week to reactivate that body and to implement new habits that you can take on every single day to finally live in the body and in the mind that you've been looking for a long time. So it is going to be live. I'm going to link everything that you need down in the box below, and I can't wait to see you there. But if you're ready to really start working on your body and getting on the floor with me for this floor bar, let's not delay, let's work it, let's sweat it. Here we go, let's work with this very simple floor bar that I'm sure you're gonna find very beneficial if you want to go back to the basics. And we are going to work on the right muscles. And most of the times, working without gravity is the perfect way to understand what is going on. So let's start. Thank you, Miss Margot. Thanks for being here with the same outfit as me. We're gonna start with feet in first position. So already think about like you were standing, where your legs are, yeah, what your feet are doing. If this is the position that you're in, think about flexing it completely. So completely like two irons, yes? From here, I want you to put your hands either on a side or as far as you can and lean slightly to the back. From here, only think of going pliés, oh yes, as you would when you're standing up. And then from there, you push, very good. A few more on the floor. And plié, thinking about where the alignment is going. And push, gorgeous. And again, two more. And push. And squeeze the inside thighs together, very good. And up. And push, gorgeous. From here, point your feet, and we're gonna go with pointed feet. So again, you know that you cannot drop your heels, keeping them up both, and pushing the thighs down, and coming back, very good, and up, and push. And every time you push, re-engage the inside thighs, and up. Don't sink down here, nice and tall, and back, and up, and back. A little challenge. So I'm gonna turn around this way so you can see. From here, slightly back, we're gonna go plie and flex forward, yes? So slightly moving back, still with the legs engaged. If this is still a bit too hard for you, that's okay. Do it on the floor, yes? Same principle. If you want an extra challenge, here we go. So we know what to engage on our core. So lifting up, we're gonna go plie. Don't let go of the core. Don't let it sink this way, yeah? And push out. And again, coming in. Push out, very good. And again, in, push out, and again, in, push out, very good. Hold it there, point, coming back down, gorgeous. Back to the very first exercise, gorgeous. Here, we're gonna go plie, and push, and again, plie, and push, and again plie, and push, and plie, and push with pointed feet, point, and push, very good, and in, and push. Come on, re-engage. In and push. And in and push. Gorgeous. Stay where you are. I'll turn around so you can see. From here, lifting up, we're gonna go in and push. And in and push. And in and push. And in and push and hold. Core engage. Repoint. Calm down. Beautifully done. From here, we're gonna lie down to the side. Legs are like 2 arrows. Yes. From here, we're gonna go up to passe. Lift the supporting leg. I call it the supporting leg, but it's the leg on the floor. Place it back down. Squeeze it back down. Very good. So the trick here is not to go, oh, this is easy, huh? No, 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 no. The two hips are stacked, just like you would when you're standing. So this is your supporting leg, this is your working leg, yes? So working leg comes up to passe, you stay there, you lift the leg from the inside thigh, and you should feel a nice, beautiful work on the side as well. Place it down, squeeze back down. Very good, that was 1, 2, and lift. Place it down, and down. Very good. 3, up and lift, and down, and down. Last one. Hold it, breathe. Very good. Core engage. Don't sink at the back. Place it down, come back down. Very good. Swing the legs to the other side. Beautiful. Again, even this beautiful side, you're not here. Yeah, you're up here. Gorgeous. From there, passe. This is 1. Lift up, coming back, and down. And again, lift, and up. Place it down, and down. Gorgeous. Lift, push up, keep on smiling, place it down, down, up, lift up, press it down, and down. Gorgeous. First side again. Yeah? Prepare yourself out here. Same thing. We go up. You lift. This time, stay there. Oh yeah. Feel the inside thighs. Gorgeous. Place it down. I know I'm cheeky. And up. You lift. Press it down. Back down. And up. Push it up. Press down. Down. Last one. Think about this working leg as well. What it's doing. And down. Press it down. Gorgeous. Swing it to the other side. Beautiful tight fifth position. Yeah, like you were on point or jumping. Either or. Same principle. Point those feet. Come up and lift. Obviously we did it on the other side. Stay here with me. Think about butterflies, whatever you can think of. Stay there, breathe, smile, laugh, and place it down. Very good, squeeze down. And again, lift, push up, press it down, and down. I know you love me. I know you do. But we work nicely together. Last one. And lift. Press it down. And down. Very good. Gorgeous. From here, we are going to go just to complete the passe. Keep that foot on the floor. We're gonna go lift from here. Push the knee towards you, Very good. Again, without sinking. Keep that butt push forward. Very good. Knee comes to you, knee comes to you. Come on, keep pointing that bottom foot. Very good. And from there, extend where you can. Coming back down. We're gonna go 4 of these. That was 1. And again, up here. Take your knee towards you. Don't sink. I can see you. Come on. Very good. Keep pressing away from the floor. Extend up and down. Very good. Here, knee towards you and push and down and lift. Push towards you. Lift. Push towards you. Push towards you without sinking. Keep that bum forward. Very good. Come back down. Gorgeous. Other way. Yes, you've got to put as much attention into your working leg as much in the supporting leg. Yes, because whenever we do anything standing on one leg, whenever you're in the center, remember, your supporting leg is the one that is holding you. So it needs way more attention. Yes, it's not just about the working leg. I don't care to see your leg up here if everything down there is wobbly, yeah, and unstable. Haha. So from here, passe, think about the alignment. Wherever your hips are going, don't let them sink at the back. Nicely pushed. Very good. Knee comes towards you. Point that leg like you would standing. Stay there. Push away from the floor. Gorgeous. Extend to the side. And at that point, think about even pushing it more towards you. Come back down. Very good. One more. Here. Leg comes towards you. Even more. Don't sink at the back. Think that there's 2 forces pushing against, yeah? So you pushing, open, very good. Extend, extend. Supporting leg. If I asked you to lift at any point, you would be able to. Very good. Come back down and smile. Very good. And push. Knee towards you. Push away from the floor. Even more. Extend. Gorgeous. More. Push the leg towards you. Coming back down. And in. One more. Knee towards you. And there. Little challenge. Come on, lift the bottom leg. Show me. Show me. Still there. Don't sink at the back. Very good. And come back down. Gorgeous. From here, we are going to go onto our back belly. Yes. From here. How are you feeling? Good. Very nice. Gorgeous. From here, I want you to have your arms in 5th position, not on the floor, but lifted, yes? So it doesn't matter where you are, what is happening, how far you can come, it's not important. What I'm looking for is the alignment of the chest, yes? So if your shoulders are here, as you can see, my shoulders are coming down towards the floor. What I want to do is push the shoulder blades wrapping around the top of the ribs up here, which doesn't mean squeezing. That's different. Yeah, I don't want to squeeze. I want to wrap around. So ribs lie nicely engaged in the front and wrapping around the shoulder blade at the back of the ribs. Very good. From here, your arms are completely parallel to the floor. So from the middle finger, if I ever draw a line, it goes all the way and it's completely parallel to the floor. Your legs, 1st position. Or if this is a bit too challenging for you, point them, but I still want to have that feeling of glued together. I know. It's going to be very good for arabesque later on, or tendus, starting from the very basics. From here, lift your arms, your head and your fingers are completely in line. Very good. From your 1st position, I want you to just go 2 tendu back alternating. Tendu back, come back in, tendu back, come back in, relax. If you're pointing your feet, we'll do it, pointing your feet again. Re-prepare. Arms in 5th position. Very nice. Go tendu the back, back in. Glue those legs together, and up, and down. Relax. I'm gonna go back to the harder one from the first position. Very good. Again, your toes are completely flat. Yes, just like you're standing. Welcome to the world of floor bars. Ha ha. Yeah, gravity can be your friend, but can be also quite challenging. Very good. From here, we're gonna do 2 more times. Prepare, turn you back, come back in, turn you back, come back in, and down. Very good. Don't do the lambada with your hips. Come back here. Think about the supporting leg. Come on, last chance. Don't move your hips. Don't move your hips. If they're going out that way, something is wrong. Very good. We're gonna do 1 more for luck because I know that there was something in there to work on. Ready? Prepare. Arms in alignment, shoulders down. Very good. Turn you to the back. Turn you to the back. And this time you can relax. Very good. Just to finish off from here, hands right next to your shoulders. Again, still thinking about where the shoulder blades are going. Remember, your shoulder blades should feel like a fan opening up. Yeah, so every time you wrap around your shoulder, your shoulder blades, don't think of scrunching the fan. You want to open it around, and as a consequence, you're gonna open your chest as well the right way without squidging it. Yeah, very good. Hands under here, feet completely pointed. Just to help you out, we are going to lift our legs at the back. Yeah, thinking about where the alignment is going, and from there we're gonna tap our heels together. Yes. Ready? Pointed feet, and lift your legs and go. Tap, 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 tap. Keep going. Very good. Keep on squeezing. Keep on smiling. Beautiful. Long neck, long neck, long neck. Your nose should be pointing directly to the floor. Very good. And breathe. One last challenge. Flex your feet. We're going to do the same. Breathe. Lift your legs. Flex your feet and go. Tap, 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 tap. Inside thighs, inside thighs, inside thighs, and breathe and smile and go and breathe. Up, up, beep, up, 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 up. Very good. And down. From there, take a moment, sit on your heels and shake it all. Gorgeous. Beautifully done. Come back because we worked so much on the turnout from here. Just give it a moment with the leg wrapping around, going, well done. Well done. Give a good shake to the IT band. Beautifully done. Very good. Other way. Good shake. Gorgeous. From there, one leg in front. Because in theory, you should be feeling the little muscles at the top of the femur really working. Very good. Beautifully done. Remember, these are very simple exercises that you can do at any point, any time, whenever you need to realign, to refocus. So keep on working on this. They are simple, but they are very, very effective. And remember, I can't wait to see you at the live very soon. It's happening at the end of the month. I'm gonna link everything down in the box below. Check it out. And I can't wait to see you there in the same room on your TV together. Let's work it.